हे एवरीवन, आज के इस दिन में मैं बेसिकली लीड मैग्नेट डिज़ाइन करने जा रहा हूँ। अब लीड मैग्नेट ये होता है कि बेसिकली यू आर ट्राइंग टू ऑफर सम काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रीबी इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट कुड बी अ चेकलिस्ट और एनी फॉर्म ऑफ टेम्पलेट या ई बुक टू द पीपल who will actually opt in to a form and they will enter their details like email address and name. तो मैं बेसिकली एक ईमेल लिस्ट बिल्ड करने जा रहा हूँ एंड just so that I can send a newsletter and basically I could promote some things in the future. अब यहाँ पे I'm not just trying to build my email list from the YouTube followers or YouTube subscribers, but I'll also leverage other social media platforms as well. तो basically यहाँ पे मेरे YouTube studio में I have two videos which are scheduled to be I should say scheduled to be published later on in the upcoming week. तो ये दो वीडियो जो अभी स्केड्यूल्ड में है, I actually document about how I am scrapping leads and what kind of emails I send in terms of email outreach and so यहाँ पे जो भी email की जो भी content है, जो भी email body है, I am saving it as a template and I am offering you as a freebie lead magnet. तो यहाँ पे I just want to design, although I could have made use of a simple Word document also, but I think I should make it branded. तो क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे कैनवा का प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया है फॉर 1 month. इट कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड 500 रुपी. तो यहाँ पे आई आई शुड एक्चुअली लेवरेज डिफरेंट टेम्पलेट्स एंड सो टू मेक द लीड मैग्नेट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड जब भी कोई भी मैं अगर एक सिंपल गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट या फिर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट का कंटेंट डाल के मैं लीड मैग्नेट प्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ, बट आई प्रेफर टू गो अबाउट दिस वे बिकॉज अगर आप फ्यूचर में कभी कोई भी लीड मैग्नेट मेरा रेफर कर रहे हो तो आई थिंक you will remember that, okay, I got this lead magnet from this channel, maybe from this social media account, and so on and so forth. So you'll know that exactly from where I got this material and what other things I can expect from this YouTube channel or from this guy. So that's the only reason why I want to design my lead magnet and make it very branded. Like I should have colors like black and green, which are also there in my own website. So I want to go ahead with that kind of a brand kit, that brand theme. तो अब यहाँ पे आई एम गोना यूज़ कैनवा एज आई सेड. अब इफ़ यू वांट टू सी कि मैं कैसे ये लीड मैग्नेट को यूज़ करूँगा टू बिल्ड अ लैंडिंग पेज एंड क्रिएट एन ऑप्ट इन फॉर्म and to do all the other email marketing thing, I think I will actually publish a video on that if you guys leave like on this video. If this video gets 10 likes, then I will publish that video. So just like the video and also comment down how does my new beard look like. So I know this is kind of a bit weird. मैंने इससे पहले कभी ऐसे French goatee कभी रखी नहीं है. तो I think you should comment down how does it look. So यहाँ पे कैनवा में आई विल जस्ट क्रिएट अ न्यू डिज़ाइन एंड आई विल सेलेक्ट A4 डिज़ाइन. तो A4 साइज इज जस्ट बेसिकली योर पेपर पोर्ट्रेट डॉक्यूमेंट साइज. एंड यहाँ पे यू कैन सी राइट हियर आई हैव दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. अब यहाँ पे आई एम गोइंग टू सर्च फॉर डिफरेंट टेम्पलेट्स. तो आई विल फाइंड फॉर समथिंग लाइक, लेट मी जस्ट टाइप समथिंग लाइक ई बुक. अब ई बुक यहाँ पे मैं इसलिए टाइप कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि दिस इज़ गोइंग टू फॉलो some kind of, it is not exactly like an ebook क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारा content नहीं है, but it is going to have a content of how to email and what kind of content you should add in your cold email templates. तो मैं एक type of template का inform करना चाह रहा हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे I want cover page which will give a brief description about what the freebie or what this PDF is all about. और last page में I want to link out to all my different platforms like my Instagram, my website, my Udemy profile, my Skillshare profile and so on. तो अब यहाँ पे I'm going to just scroll down and see what kind of templates it already has. अब यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे हैं and I have already selected one. So I will just, you can see right here, I have recently used. So I'll just click on this and I will apply all 3 pages. Fine. अब ये जो मैंने template यहाँ पे import किया है, this has other colors which does not go with my color scheme. So I can just select all these elements, like यहाँ पे जो elements है, I can just select all of them together. जहाँ पे भी pink color से I can change that to green color. तो अब यहाँ पे जो text है, this will come under the text color, but जो elements है यहाँ पे जो graphic elements है, it will be different. तो यहाँ पे I will have to click here and I will just click on brand colors. तो यहाँ पे brand color में I have a gradient green color and यहाँ पे gradient green color में I have two colors. So this one is the light green and this one is the dark green. So I will just go ahead with the light green just because the background of this particular PDF is black. तो black and black is not contrary, it's complementary because वो दोनों एक दूसरे को complement कर रहे हैं. And black and black, it's dark shade. So if you are into design and UI stuff, then you might agree with me. So यहाँ पे I'm gonna go ahead with the lighter shade. I'll just copy the hex code. और ये जो color है यहाँ पे I'll just search for the hex code and this is what I will select. अब यहाँ पे already मैंने select कर लिया है तो I will just try and apply this color to all the different pink colors elements. Fine. अब यहाँ पे digital download जो है उसकी जगह पे I might write something like a link to my website. So netmafia.co.in is what I will write and I'll select the entire text and I'll press Command K or Control K depending on what kind of system are you using. तो अब यहाँ पे मैं basically अपना website की link डाल दूंगा which is netmafia.co.in and instead of this date I'll just place it right here. Okay, place it right here. और यहाँ पे I would also add one element. So let me just search for, you can see some recently used elements are there. So this one is the globe element, which is used for representing your website. This is the Instagram logo, which I'll use for the last page of the document. अब यहाँ पे जो second page है, this will have the entire body of, I should say, the body of my, the body itself. What I mean is basically what kind of email you should write. तो यहाँ पे मैं content डालूंगा. I think the buttons won't be required, but I'll see what happens next. यहाँ पे मैं basically अपना Instagram and all those things I will add. So I'll just quickly do that and I'll just forward to the part where the lead magnet is almost ready. तो कुछ इस तरीके से मैंने अपना email cold email template की PDF create की है यहाँ पे, where this particular laptop image itself has the image of my YouTube homepage. और यहाँ पे it basically describes what this PDF is all about. यहाँ पे process है कि basically you add the email content. Basically you will find this email template, this lead magnet for this particular video. और ये यहाँ पे इस वीडियो के जो pinned comment section होगा, जो pinned comment होगा मेरा, over there you will find the link to get this particular PDF. Fine. यहाँ पे I follow the 3-step rule, which is first to add hook. Don't focus more on this content because ये actual content नहीं है. This is just the templatized content because जो template मैंने यहाँ पे import किया था उसका जो content है वो यही है. I've just changed other things like the last page, the first page and I've added all the links. तो ये सारी चीज़ें design part जो था मैंने वो किया and right here I am on this part. So hook, offer and CTA is what I have also covered in this particular video. So you can check it out if you want. And yeah, this is what I am going to do. And again, if you want to check out how I will make use of this PDF in an email marketing tool and what kind of email marketing tool I generally use to promote my courses and to offer free lead magnets, I think you should leave a like. If the video gets 10 likes, I will definitely post the video. And in the meantime, you can definitely check out these 2 past videos and I'll see you guys in my next video.